Hi, can you spot the bug? This is the voice-first AI platform that coaches developers through real-time conversation. What is the problem that we are solving? The problem is that AI is making developers lazy. The data is clear. Developers will rely on AI without critical thinking to produce worse code. We have 41% more bugs. We have lower skills in debugging, and companies are losing millions because of fatal production issues. How do we solve that? We have three modes. One, bug hunt. Two, pair with AI. And three, problem solve. Let's deep dive into each one of them. Now we are in problem solving mode. We select the language, we select our level, and we select an optional topic. And then we click start a challenge. It is now generating a challenge, and it is searching for real code challenges, not just inventing or hallucinating with anything. Now let's look into the bug hunt mode. So I select a framework like the one I most deal with, and I select my level. Now my level is beginner, and I will start the hunt.
This React component displays a list of items and a button to add a new one.
Can you
It
ask
uses
a question?
Certainly. What's on your mind?
What is this framework?
This code is written in React. Are you looking for a specific aspect of the state management?
Do you see my change here?
I'm looking into what you changed. I see you added yes comment within the atom function. Have you considered how React handles state updates for arrays?
And this one is the pair programming mode. So AI will review my code while I'm sharing screen. Let's check. First, I pick folder. Now it is taking some time to detect the changes, so it detected my repo changes.
All right, so I've reviewed the changes. It looks like you've primarily implemented a comprehensive environment switching mechanism, spanning both the backend configuration and middleware, as well as the mobile application's API handling and settings UI. You also addressed some configuration issues and a UI logic flaw. Does that align with the big picture for this pull request?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with fedium/src/constants.js. I see you've defined some API URLs here. On line 3, I see the API local constant with
Wait.
a hard...
Like which line you say?
Sorry, on line 3, the API local constant is set to a hard-coded IP address. This can be a problem during development because your local IP can change. Also, notice how API staging URL on line 4 falls
Okay.
back to API.
Wait. What should I do?
You should probably remove the hard-coded IP address and use a mechanism that resolves the development URL correctly, maybe through environment variables. More importantly, on line 4, the fallback to API_local for staging means you can't test the actual staging backend during development. Does that configuration make sense to you?
Yes, and that's it, our architecture. We are using Gemini model grounded to other tools. On top of it is our front end, and our infrastructure is running on Google Cloud Run. And that's all. So are you able now to spot the bug?